In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin to Solana on Coinbase. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. That'll give you 5 USDC as a welcome bonus. After you've logged into your account, you should see a page that looks like this. If it doesn't, you might be in the advanced section, which looks like this. We're just going to keep it simple and we're going to stick to the basic section, which looks like this. So in order to convert Bitcoin into Solana, you're going to go right down here to the bottom of the screen and tap on this clock looking icon, which is your asset icon. And right here, you can see I have Bitcoin. So I'm going to tap on that. And once you're on this page, you're going to tap on this button that says buy and sell. And we're going to tap on convert. So right here where it says to, we're going to tap on that. I want to pick Solana out of this list. If you don't see Solana in the list, you can just search for it in the search bar up top. Tap on Solana and you can enter the amount that you want to convert right here. But I'm just going to convert all of it. So I'm going to tap on this button that says convert all. And that'll bring me to this page where you just confirm everything is correct. This is the fee that I'm going to have to pay for this transaction. After you've made sure everything is correct, you're just going to tap on this button that says convert now. And that's how to convert Bitcoin to Solana on Coinbase. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.